In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount on your Shopify store. Understanding how to offer discounts is crucial for boosting sales and attracting customers. So let's walk through this process together step by step. To begin, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in and on your store's homepage, locate and click on the Discounts feature in the menu. This section of your Shopify dashboard is where you can create and manage all sorts of promotional offers for your customers. Next, within the Discounts page, look for and click on the Create Discount button. This will start the process of setting up a new discount for your store. You'll see various discount types to choose from, but for our purposes today, select the Amount Off Order option. This option allows you to specify a flat discount value on customer orders, a common and effective choice for many Shopify merchants. Now, let's focus on the discount code itself. Click on the Discount Code field and opt to generate a random code. This is super convenient as it ensures your discount code is unique and saves you the hassle of thinking one up yourself. Random discount codes can often prompt customers to act quickly if they feel it's fleeting and exclusive. Then, click on Discount Value to enter the amount you want to deduct from a customer's order. Consider what discount will be enticing enough but also sustainable for your business's revenue goals. Have a look across your competition to understand the market standard if you're uncertain. In the next step, click on Eligibility to decide who can use this discount. You can set it to be applicable to all customers, specific groups, or particular individuals. Customizing eligibility is a great way to target loyal customers or new shoppers you're looking to convert. Another important aspect is to click on Minimum Purchase Requirements. This setting allows you to define a minimum order value that must be met before the discount can be applied, helping maintain profitability while offering value to customers. Additionally, consider setting up a maximum discount uses limit. By doing this, you can control the number of times a discount code can be used, creating urgency and exclusivity, which can spike your sales temporarily. Lastly, click on Combinations if you want to specify whether this discount can be used in conjunction with others. Once you have adjusted these settings, click on Active Dates, where you define the time frame when the discount code will be valid. Keep track of when the discount starts and ends to best optimize your marketing strategies around it. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a discount in Shopify. Make sure to save your changes and start promoting your newly created offer to maximize your store's visibility and sales potential. Thanks for tuning in today, and good luck boosting your sales.